Happy birthday, Chirp, from me and my kids who grew up reading Chirp magazine.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chirp! Here's a unicorn cupcake for you. Do you want to blow it out for Chirp?
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chirp! You make the funniest jokes.
Chirp, I like your magazines. What I most like is the back because you swat away the hot dogs. And the other side. This is a different one. And I like on the inside of the magazine. And there's also another page. Isn't it so funny? He's eating that. Happy birthday!
Hi, and happy birthday, Chirp! My name is Suharu. I am an illustrator, and I've made pictures like this, surfing in Brazil from June 2021. I had so much fun painting this piece. I was actually working on this piece in February when it was still snowing outside, but I felt like I was at a beach. And that's why I love working for Chirp. It makes me feel like I have this very special travel and time machine where I get to visit so many different places or even revisit some of my favorite childhood memories. Today, I made you this very special birthday cake. I hope you get to enjoy it. Happy birthday!